Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Bunge and I want to share some information with you from Master Networks headquarters today. We've had a lot of people having issues with credit card fraud and having credit cards changed for them by the bank rather than at their request. What that results in sometimes is some information that needs to be updated on your membership. So I just want to walk through those steps for you today. So if you fall victim of some type of fraud or you just have a new credit card, you'll know how to take care of your account and not miss out on any of the great benefits of membership. So what I've done today is I've logged in to my back office already today, and I'm going to simply click on the My Account tab. Once I get to this tab, I can pretty much do whatever I need to do within this page to update my account. So the different options that I have would be, first of all, is just to update an expiration date on a current credit card. Sometimes that's all that happens with your bank. You get a new card, they put that expiration date out a couple years. You can follow the steps there, put in a new expiration date, and simply update that current card. If you have a brand new card, you're actually going to click on the same page of Update My Billing Information. However, you're going to look for a small green link called Add Credit Card. So the only thing you can update on a current credit card is expiration date. If the number has changed, they've reissued a new card, you need to click on the Add Credit Card link. And then you'll go in, you'll fill in all your information with the card expiration, including your billing address and things, and go ahead and add that card. Then next, what you want to do is make sure you do step number 4, which is to go down to the steps under Change Credit Card for future monthly dues payments and make that change as well. By adding the credit card, we now have that credit card in your account, in your system, but we haven't yet attached it, so it changes from your old card to your new card the next time you need to pay your monthly dues. So simply click on View My Membership, click on Change the Card, choose the right card from the drop-down menu, and then Update Now. So then we know, the system knows that when it tries to pull your very next invoice, it will use the new card instead of the old card. If for some reason you have an open invoice that does need to be paid, you can also do that from the back office. You click on the Make a Payment link, and then there will be a special little link next to any open invoice that says Pay Now. So you click on that, verify the amount that's there, the credit card you want to use, and click Pay Now, and you're done. And your invoice will then be closed out and everything will be up to date. If there are issues with your credit card, things come up, you have had fraud, it got stolen, it's just expired, we do get that information in our system, so I'm able to see what's going on with your account, and I do reach out to you and help you out with that. You get an automated phone call as well as automated emails letting you know about the situation and asking you to please call or go into the back office and update. And I also do make personal phone calls to people to assist. So always very happy if you get a little confused with our system in the back office, we're always happy to help you out over the phone and get your information changed and updated. One thing you'll notice if this ever does happen to you, what we do is we run your card every 3 days for 7 tries. If it fails. On the second failed invoice, your back office is restricted to only see the My Accounts tab, which is the one that we're looking at right now. So it looks a little confusing because you don't have all those other tabs, but what we've done at that point is said if you want all of the membership benefits, including access to the entire back office, we really want you to get in here and pay that invoice and get up to date on your dues. So you will always have access at this point to come in and update that account and get your invoices up to date and then have full membership benefits. And then what will happen, we'll continue to try until that 7th failed invoice, and then really your account will be considered canceled due to a failed invoice. At that point, you won't have access to anything anymore. You are considered canceled. However, you can always call in and we can reactivate your account, get you caught up, and continue your membership. I hope that helps out today. Hopefully there aren't many more of us that'll fall victim to this credit card situation, but if you do, we're here to help you out. So log into your My Accounts tab or give us a call here at Master Network Support at 507-424-0087. Thanks for your time today, everybody, and have a wonderful day.